Over in the Jungle, a Rainforest Rhyme by Marianne Burkus, illustrated by Jeanette Canyon. Over in the jungle where the trees greet the sun lived a mother marmoset and her marmoset one. Swing, said the mother, I swing, said the one. So they swung and they hung where the trees greet the sun. One marmoset. It's a baby marmoset. Over in the jungle, wearing wings of shiny blue, lived a morpho butterfly and her little morphos too. Flit, said the mother, we flit, said the two. So they flitted and they fluttered, wearing wings of shiny blue. Two morpho butterflies. 1, 2. And that's the mommy morpho. Over in the jungle on a leafy canopy lived a noisy mother parrot and her little parrots 3. Squawk, said the mother, we squawk, said the 3. So they squawked and they walked on a leafy canopy. 3 parrots. 1, 2, 3. And there's the mommy parrot. Over in the jungle on a rainforest floor lived a leaf cutter ant and her little ants 4. Scurry, said the mother, we scurry, said the 4. So they scurried and they hurried on a rainforest floor. 4 leaf cutter ants. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the shadow of the mummy leafcutter ant. I guess she's underneath the leaf. Over in the jungle near a big beehive lived a mother honey bear and her little honeys 5. Scramble, said the mother, we scramble, said the 5. So they scrambled and they rambled toward a big beehive. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 baby honey bears. And there's the mummy honey bear. Over in the jungle, curled around some mossy sticks, lived a long mother boa and her little boa 6. Squeeze, said the mother, we squeeze, said the 6. So they squeezed and were pleased, curled around some mossy sticks. 6 boa constrictors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there's the mummy boa constrictor. She's green. And the little guys are orange. Over in the jungle in Bromeliad heaven lived a poison dart frog and her little froggy 7. Hop, said the mother, we hop, said the 7. So they hopped and they plopped in Bromeliad heaven. 7 poison dart frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I guess, oh, that must be the 7th, and this is the mummy poison dart frog, and all her babies. Over in the jungle where she knew how to wait lived a mother ocelot and her ocelots 8. Pounce, said the mother, we pounce, said the 8. So they pounced and they bounced and they learned how to wait. 8 ocelots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and oh, I guess this one's 8. And there's the mummy ocelot. Over in the jungle, hanging from a heavy vine, lived a super slow sloth and her little sloths 9. Creep, said the mother, we creep, said the 9. So they crept and they slept, hanging from a heavy vine. 9 sloths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I guess that's the mummy. Over in the jungle, in the rainforest den, lived a father howler monkey and his little howlers 10. Hoot, said the father, we hoot, said the 10. So they hooted and they hollered in the rainforest den. 10 howler monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's the daddy howler monkey. And on this page, this long 2-page spread, you have to find everything. It says, let's sing it. Over in the jungle, come on, let's take a peek. In the busy rainforest, they're playing hide and seek. Find us, say the children, from 10 to 1. When you find all the creatures, then this rhyme is done. So if you check out this book from the library or buy this book, you can look for all of these animals on the pages. The end.